Whoopsie. Small song. Yeah, why not? Because it's a really nice song. This is the mini monitor with the 25 micron tweeter. No tapes to reduce distortion, no tapes to reduce the top end, no notches to let the 14K peak disappear. It's a 12 dB octave filter, link width Riley, one at 400 for the woofer and one at 800 for the tweeter. Weirdly enough, but that's what it is. That's it. I could still shave off a little bit above 14K with a tape, 2 tapes, which is good because it also reduces the distortion that is created by the adhesion at the spacer, so that's good. But far less crap for, well, if you compare to the other tweeter, which was sounding good already, but I'll show you some measurements thingies. It's 6 dB down because it's only 2.4 ohms, which is rather low. So it's 6 dB down, so actually, yeah, it should be like 3 dB down or something. I might make a spin-off of this one, add another track and reduce the track width, and I should be able to get around 4 ohms, 5 ohms, somewhere in between. But heavier foil does reduce the top end a little bit, so it's more in balance, which is nice. So I don't have to, well, change a lot of stuff afterwards. This song I Will Survive from Petra Magoni. Yeah, well, I just stumbled upon it, really nice song. Let's just do it, and yeah, why not? It's also mono, so it's only one speaker playing. There we go. Reduce the volume on the recorder a little bit.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. So now you're back from outer space. I just walk in to find a he with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed your stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I would know for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you wanna try to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? And I'll survive, I will survive. Always as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive, I will survive. Hey. trying not to fall apart. I try hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart, and I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high, and you see me, you see somebody new. I'm not a chained up little person still in love with you, and so you laugh like dropping in and just expect me to be free. But now I'm saying I'm loving for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go, you walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Why don't you wanna try to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? And I'll survive, I will survive, I will survive. Long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive, I will survive, I will survive.
Ow. It's loud. So, yeah. I'm not sure yet. The only thing is that I don't have this mylar in stock anymore. I just had a sample, so I probably have to order it. Ah well, collecting shit, why not? See ya!